Get ready to explore the captivating Forbidden City, a legendary, highly confidential hub of China's vast imperial power and opulent splendor. Built with meticulous detail and grandeur, during the Ming Dynasty in 1420, this stunning architectural marvel encapsulates a remarkable 5-century period of unmatched magnificence and authority of Chinese emperors. Entering this magnificent palace, one is immediately struck by its sheer monumentality and grandiosity. It has managed to encapsulate the essence of Chinese heritage, symbolizing harmony and balance through its carefully designed, meticulously crafted grand buildings. The complex's carefully maintained historical preservation, rich in stories of love, ambition, and treachery, demonstrates that even the most powerful empires are not eternal and eventually disappear. Though primarily intended for the enjoyment of the elite and high-ranking officials, the Forbidden City has also accommodated the ever-increasing curiosity and wonder of everyday citizens from different walks of life. For these commoners, obtaining access to the palace was considered an act of tremendous privilege, a task that remained confined to a small group of individuals. Through robust walls and barriers, the striking blend of aesthetics and functionality found in the Forbidden City's architecture reveals its purpose in representing the universal harmony, embodied in balance and equilibrium. This sacred space served as the epicenter for emperors to be crowned, issue decrees, and conduct official ceremonies to solidify and enhance their divine authority further. Yet, embedded within its decadent displays and lavish ambience were cryptic stories of love, betrayal, and ambition that often remain hidden, waiting to be unveiled to the world through careful exploration and preservation. Today, the Forbidden City proudly stands as a testament to its enduring historical importance and continues to welcome an immense variety of tourists, both locals and international, who are eager to embark on a fascinating journey through its ancient, intricately designed pathways. In essence, the Forbidden City's unwavering emphasis on preserving its history and lessons from the past serves as a reminder that even the most formidable empires are but fleeting, ever-changing entities. However, the inherent teachings derived from these time-honored cultural and historical lessons, such as discipline, determination, and respect, remain constant, unequivocally powerful, and never truly dissipate or perish. The shared lessons of the Forbidden City are not reserved exclusive to the Chinese. They serve as a valuable symbol of understanding and unity for all those who seek a deeper knowledge of what has shaped human history.